If you want to boost speed on a Redmi Note 15 Pro or 15 Pro Plus, the easiest way to do so is by going to the security app, and then over here we have the boost speed option, and also you will find the optimize button in here at the top after a couple of seconds. So for example, first you can use the optimize button in order to optimize the system, and after a couple of seconds, once that is done, you can also go to the boost speed option. So let's go back, choose boost speed, and there we go. So we will get rid of cache files, we'll get rid of apps that are running in the background. Of course, if you want to not get rid of something, you can just uncheck it quite easily over here. But you can also tap on boost speed over here at the bottom in order to try to make your device run faster. Now, in addition to that, what you can also do is we can go to settings and then proceed to additional settings. And then in here we have the memory extension, which you can increase to 8 or 12 gigabytes. 8 gigabytes for Redmi Note 15 Pro and 12 for Pro Plus model. And yeah, this should help you run the device a little bit faster. And in addition to that, actually, there is one more thing. In battery settings, we can find the current mode and we can choose to use the performance mode. Now, I'm gonna check in a second if it is also available on the Pro model, because this one is Pro Plus. So in this case, we're gonna open settings and do exactly the same thing. So we're gonna scroll down in here and open battery. And yeah, we do have the performance mode as well, so you can use it on both devices, regardless if you have Pro or Pro Plus, and this should help you speed up the phone a little bit as well. And that is it. Subscribe to my channel.